Alrighty YouTube, we're back here for a short little video. We're going to show you how to replace the tail lights in your RV. If it's the same as mine, of course, but got my lights already ready to go. So I'm going to show you what's kind of wrong with these ones, why I'm replacing them, and we are going to switch them out to LED. So stay tuned. Alrighty, if you look here, these are stripped out and I can pull it out if I really tug on it, and that one's cracked, and I just don't want them to get blown or have water issues in the future. You never want to get pulled over for having a broken tail light. So here's my new ones. Got them on eBay a while back ago. I've just been procrastinating on getting them on, so I figured I'd do a short little electrical video today. So let's get to it. So yeah, you can tell a big difference in these two. It's got a bunch of mold and dirt in there. Now I've already swapped them out just to make sure these bulbs worked. So it's a nifty little LED bulb. It's got it on Amazon. It works. Much brighter. People better see it. So and we come into our first problem. Screws are stripped out. They work so far. We'll check them here at night so we can make sure that they are fully illuminated and everything works perfectly. Hooray! Alrighty, on to the next video. We got a transfer case or a transfer switch to put in.